Is this the quickest Kung Pao chicken ever using our sweet and sour concentrate? Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to make Kung Pao chicken. Now this is a variation on our sweet and sour sauce concentrate we made the other day. Now I have a friend in Scotland who contacted me and said, can you make anything else with the sweet and sour sauce? So we are going to make a very simple Kung Pao chicken with our sweet and sour sauce concentrate. Let's do this. Okay guys, we've got a very simple marinade to make for our chicken. We want a little bit of oyster sauce. So get some oyster sauce in there. We want a little bit of light soy sauce. A little sprinkling of white pepper. A tablespoon of corn flour, and all we're going to do is give that a mix. And that's it. That's our chicken marinade. All we're going to do is put that to one side, guys, and crack on with our Kung Pao chicken. Okay guys, a little bit of oil in the pan. Turn on the heat. Now we want to turn this on low and slow, and what we're going to do, we're going to cook this all in one go. So we're going to go in with our chilies. Okay, now these are not pre-soaked, so we have to be careful we don't burn these. So in with the chilies, guys. In with our garlic. So I'll get some garlic in there. I like garlic, so there might be a bit more than you would like. In with our ginger. Now we're not cooking on no high flame here because we're doing it all in one go in our house. In with some Sichuan peppercorns, and then in with our chicken. Now as you can see, this is not browned off or anything. It's in there, it's got some flavour coming out of it, and then we're going in with our chicken. Because we're cooking this from fresh. This is not pre-cooked in any way. So nice and steady. Just start cooking that chicken. Now this chicken is going to take on all the flavour from the Sichuan peppercorns. All we've got to do is make sure we don't burn the dried chili, because it has not been pre-soaked. Now this has got to be one of the quickest Kung Pao chickens that you will ever make at home, using our pre-made sweet and sour sauce. And what we're going to do, we're going to go in with a little pinch of salt. So a little pinch of salt in there. Just give it that little bit of a flavour on our chicken actually. Okay, you got a little bit of colour on there. And now we're going to go in with all our veg. Our yellow pepper, red pepper, green pepper, onions. Give it a stir around. Just look at that colour in there, guys. Absolutely superb. And then we're going to go in with our dry roasted peanuts. Right guys, this is our sweet and sour concentrate. And then what we need to do is add about half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And that is our Kung Pao Chicken. There we go guys, Kung Pao Chicken made. Now you can let that sauce thicken a bit more if you want a thick sauce, or you can have this sauce as it is now. To me, that is absolutely perfect. Flame off, job done. There we go guys, the simplest Kung Pao Chicken ever, with all the flavours of the Sichuan peppercorns, chilies, peanuts. All we need to do is garnish it with some green onion and a little bit of sesame seeds, and that is our Kung Pao Chicken made. Now guys, if you like what we're doing and you would like to subscribe, that would be absolutely fantastic. Until next time, keep safe. That is absolutely wonderful.